Massive! Oh no. It is Fernandez! It is Fernandez! What has happened? Can you believe it? Remy Gardner's just been given a long lap penalty and Raul Fernandez has destroyed the bike. Where is the front end of that motorcycle? Raul Fernandez, and he loses it on the bricks. It just snaps away viciously from him. And look at the bike, cartwheeling through the gravel trap. A massive crash for Raul Fernandez. A total wreck. A total wreck. Straight up and down. Was he on the white line? But wow, what a massive 30 seconds in the destiny of this Moto2 World Championship. Incredible. That did snap away so quickly. Look at that. I mean, he is going to feel that in the morning. Pit Byra can't believe it. I mean, he's so lucky to get up and walk away from that without being seriously hurt. Emotions running high everywhere, up and down pit lane, in the grandstands here today in Misano. What a lovely shot that is. And now here he is, the MotoGP World Champion. An historic day for Fabio Quartararo. Fantastic scenes. There you can see the moment of embrace between Quartararo and Bagnaia. A lot of respect for each other. Valentino Rossi might have gone, but the future of MotoGP in very safe hands with Fabio Quartararo and Pecco Bagnaia. Great scenes all round. So many, as you said, fantastic stories to be told here. And Marc Marquez knows what this feeling's like. What a great shot that is as well. On site to witness the first Yamaha rider become MotoGP World Champion since Jorge Lorenzo. But the future of MotoGP in very safe hands. What a lovely shot that is. Valentino Rossi, his farewell appearance in Misano. He soaks up the adulation of his adoring public. The bike is smoking away there. Rossi's last dance in Italy. Quartararo